Since 1947, one of the highlights of the Steveston Salmon Festival has been the famous Salmon Bake. Crowds gather as hundreds of fresh salmon are barbecued in open pit fires right in the heart of Steveston. In the festival's early years, the salmon was cooked by local First Nations bands. Today, various community group volunteers prepare wild sockeye salmon provided by Canfisco over a giant barbecue pit in front of the Steveston Martial Arts Center. We've reached out to several local chefs to share some of their favorite recipes so you can recreate some of the magic of Steveston Salmon Festival right from the comfort of your own home.
My name is Sushila Narain. I'm the head chef of Steveston Seafood House for 36 years. And I've been working for 4 owners, so I love the place. And also I love working with seafood. The reason I choose the recipe Dijon maple-glazed salmon, because it's more Canadian. We'll be still open on the Canada Day. We would like people to come in and enjoy outside dining,